Here's a list of some important historical events that happened on November 2nd. The first commercial radio broadcast. On November 2, 1920, KDKA in Pittsburgh made history by airing the U.S. presidential election results, the first scheduled commercial radio broadcast. Before this, radio was mostly experimental, but KDKA showed its power for mass communication. People could now hear election results before reading them in newspapers, marking the birth of modern broadcasting in the golden age of radio. The Haile Selassie coronation in Ethiopia. On November 2, 1930, history was made in Addis Ababa when Ras Tufari Makhonen was crowned Emperor of Ethiopia and took the name Haile Selassie I, meaning power of the Trinity. The grand coronation in the Cathedral of St. George was attended by royals and dignitaries from around the world. His reign marked Ethiopia's shift from an old feudal system to a more modern and unified state. Haile Selassie became a global symbol of African independence and resistance to colonialism, inspiring millions across generations. The Balfour Declaration Letter. On November 2, 1917, British Foreign Secretary Arthur Balfour wrote to Baron Rothschild expressing Britain's support for a national home for the Jewish people in Palestine, a letter that became the famous Balfour Declaration. Though short, it carried immense weight, influencing Middle Eastern politics for decades. It also stated that existing non-Jewish communities' rights should not be harmed. November 2nd became a defining date in diplomacy, marking one of history's most consequential promises. The only flight of the Hughes H for Hercules Spruce Goose. On November 2, 1947, aviation pioneer Howard Hughes took to the skies in his gigantic wooden aircraft, the H for Hercules, famously called the Spruce Goose. The plane's only flight, lasting less than a minute and reaching about 70 feet, took place over Long Beach Harbor in California. Although it never entered production, it became a legend of innovation and ambition. The Spruce Goose remains a lasting symbol of courage and human creativity. The federal holiday for Martin Luther King Jr. gets created. On November 2, 1983, President Ronald Reagan signed a law creating a federal holiday to honor Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. and his lifelong fight for justice and equality. Observed every third Monday in January, it quickly became a national symbol of unity and service. The day encourages reflection, community action, and remembrance of Dr. King's dream for a better America. November 2nd stands as the moment when moral progress was formally honored. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new video. We'd also love to hear from you, so leave a comment below and share your thoughts. Thanks for watching.